Hey guys, hope you all are doing pretty good. Well, today I am excited to show you all my beautiful nail art goodies that I have recently won from nail cover lover, that is Viola Brown and Tammy's Money. And guess what? What an amazing coincidence that they have sent all the goodies from Charlie Nail Art Supplies. Viola sent her giveaway gifts inside a card which was wrapped with thank you stickers, and I guess it's a really amazing gesture. These thank you stickers are really attractive. Even after unfolding the card, I saw really fetching nail art goodies and her card inside, in which it is clearly mentioned that she is available on YouTube, Instagram and on Gmail. Now one by one, I'm going to display all the nail art goodies that I have received from her side. Nail art decals with accessories like tiara and angel, all are really gorgeous and I would love to use them in my upcoming nail art designs. And these diamond shaped holographic sequins are really trending these days. I thought of buying them, but I'm glad that I got them as a gift from Viola. Even she had mixed white and black sequins of square shaped in it. I really like this nail art wrap because it is a combination of abstract as well as floral nail art design. Another nail art decals with the happy birthday mention on it. I genuinely like the design of this nail art wrap, as I think abstract nail art designs are always eye-catching. OMG, these cute little umbrella shaped sequins are really adorable. And I must say, the products from Charlie Nail Art Supplies are really worth buying because they got quite huge and lovely collection of all the nail art stuff. Now here comes the holographic star, and I'm sure they are going to look amazing in polygel encapsulation. And I guess no one can beat the gorgeousness of these multicolored neon round shaped sequins. Another sequins which are ribbon in shape and are really cute. And you know what guys, these stickers are really precious because Viola itself created them at her home. Isn't it beautiful friends? You can even ping her on her IG account if you are interested in buying these nail art stickers. Even the message written on her thank you card is really heartwarming. And look how beautifully she decorated this card with the stickers which she had created by herself. Now last but not the least, these cute little unicorn sequins are really ravishing. The holographic film on them makes them more beautiful. And here comes another star-shaped sequins which are pink, green and yellow in color. Thanks a lot Viola for sending these beautiful goodies. All stuff is really very pretty and attractive. I genuinely like all the stuff and I would be glad to show all the nail art designs in future while using all these beautiful nail art goodies. Once again, thank you so much for sending them. Now here comes another collection of goodies that I have won from Tammy's Money. She messaged me $10 voucher of Charlie's Nail Art Supplies and asked me to choose the products under the price of $10. So I got a chance to choose my favorite nail art items from Charlie's Nail Art Supplies. Then I ordered 11 items from Charlie's Nail Art Supplies, and these are the products I really wanted to use for my for the nail art designs. I really love the collection of nail art foil, so I ordered lots of foils which are definitely going to be very useful for my further nail art creations. This one is Sandstorm Marble Nail Art Transfer Foil, and these are nail art dried flower selection which are not easily available here, so that's the reason I choose them. These flowers look quite amazing while doing polygel encapsulation because they look so natural and pretty. This one is my favorite nail art decal. Peacock feathers are really liked by everyone, so I'm sure this is going to look so pretty on nails. And these are really eye-catching, beautiful butterfly 3D nail art charms. And who don't know these Fimo slices? As these Fimo slices are the coolest way to add some pizzazz to your die nail designs. And this packet contains lots of cute fruit slices in it. Now this is the box of golden nail art foil flakes. Another foil that is transparent holographic nail transfer foil. This one is Pastel Galaxy Nail Art Transfer Foil, and this one is Unicorn of the Galaxy Nail Transfer Foil. Now here comes 3D Nail Art Flower Charms. I really love a little glitter and a pearl shine in these flowers. At the end, she wrote thank you card and even given me 10% off for my next order. All these products are undoubtedly very useful and pretty. Thanks a lot, Tammy, for sending me that $10 voucher so that I could able to choose the products of my own choice. At the end, I really wanted to appreciate both of you for being so kind and always loving and caring friend to me. You both are really a sweetheart. Thanks for always being there. Love you both, and thanks a lot for watching my video, friends. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.